Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to Gardenia by Beazer Homes. Now in this video, we are gonna be touring the Bedford floor plan. Guys, this is a townhouse community, great location. Now this model has a bedroom downstairs, so stick around. Welcome back to my channel, everyone. Now, if you're new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Abella with EXP Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now, what we do on my channel is we go over all the new build communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're looking to move to Las Vegas, or if you like looking at new home build tours, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. Welcome to Gardenia by Beazer Homes. Now this is a townhouse community. Now just to give you guys an idea of where we're located, we're in a really good location. Okay, so we're right off of the 215 and Sunset. Now the area is great just because you have a bunch of shopping centers close by, you got a bunch of restaurants, as well as we have like 3 hospitals within 5 miles away. Really good location, guys, especially if you're looking to buy a home to rent it out. Well, this is a very, very good area, okay? I will have the floor plans on the screen for you. So they offer 3 different floor plans here: the Griffin, the Bedford, and the Barclay, okay? All ranging from 1248 square feet all the way up to 2044 square feet, okay? With the base prices ranging from $383,990 all the way up to $474,990. Now guys, when you see the base price, just know that upgrades are not included. Now here in this community, they're doing all spec homes, quick moving homes, okay? Which means they're just picking out all the options. That way, by the time you get into contract, you have about like a 2 to 3 to 4 month wait time. Now from the base prices, I would add about $25,000 to $35,000 to that. That'd be like your out the door price, okay? Something that's really neat about this community as well is if you're looking for a townhouse that has a bedroom downstairs, especially the primary bedroom downstairs, definitely check out this video because all these homes have a bedroom downstairs. Now the HOA here is going to be $145 a month. That's going to include the picnic area, the playground, the dog park, as well as the exterior maintenance. Also, this community is going to have solar, guys. So Beazer, like when they make their communities moving forward, that's kind of the route they're headed to. They want all of their homes to have solar. So it's going to be very energy efficient. Okay. Yeah, guys, that's about it. So let's get started with this tour. Welcome everyone to the Bedford floor plan. Now the Bedford floor plan is 1371 square feet. It's going to be a 3 bedroom, 2 bath, and the base price is $396,990. They're also doing all quick move-in spec homes here, guys. So I would add about $25,000 to $35,000 to the base price, and that'd be your out the door price. Okay. But yeah, let's go ahead and take a look. So right here, you have a 6x7 door. So welcome in, guys. 8-foot ceiling right here. So you got your stairs that go to the 2nd floor. Now the primary bedroom is downstairs. Now I know that's going to be important to a lot of buyers there. So you have your primary bedroom downstairs and the 2 guest beds upstairs, okay? So this bedroom is going to be about 14 by 11. All right, so this is a king size bed. So you can see, okay, so you got room for 2 small side tables right over there. This is going to be your full bath. Okay, so you have your sink, your quartz countertop right there. And then you also have your walk-in shower. Okay, so this is actually a 3/4 bath since there is no tub. Okay, nice size walk-in closet. Now also you're gonna have your smart panel box right over here. Okay, that's how you set up your internet router, your modem. Okay, you're gonna have your coax cables, your Cat 6 in there. And then we have the door to the garage, which is the sales office. And then right here, you're gonna have your washer and dryer. Now, as far as the appliances go, refrigerator, washer, and dryer is not included. But here, take a look at this, guys. Now, Beazer, they are very energy efficient. Okay, once again, these townhomes are all solar, and they have the option. To, if you wanted to turn your house to all electric, you can do that. Okay, you could definitely switch out the oven and anything that you'd use gas for. They have a place right next to it, so you can actually plug in that new appliance and have it be all electric. Okay, so this is going to be the top floor here. As soon as you walk in, you have your it's very spacious, guys. You have your living room, you're gonna have your kitchen, and you're gonna have your 2-bedroom. Now, this model is actually a really good model if you were going to buy and have tenants in here, just because, well, one, the location is great. You're close to a lot of things. Restaurants, hospitals, right by the 215, a lot of shopping centers. But then also you're going to have the bedrooms are going to be separate, right? You got your primary bedroom downstairs. You got your 2 guest bedrooms here. So you could even like house hack. House hack is pretty much like if you were to move into this house, you could live downstairs and then rent out the 2 rooms upstairs. Okay. You also have a balcony right here. A beautiful balcony. So you will have 9-foot ceilings on the 2nd floor. Okay. All right. So you're gonna have your system right here. Okay. So Beazer is doing really good as far as like their energy efficient. They also have a central air filter in their house as well. And this is here so that way it stays like room temperature, and if anybody needs to work on it, it's better here than, you know, builders that would be like in the attic. So welcome to the kitchen. All right. Again, the appliances are not included. Okay, so it looks like right here, I mean, they do have like an electric stovetop, like oven, you know, because you do have solar. I mean, it would make sense to have set up everything to the electricity, right? So, you know, that way you would definitely save some money. Okay, so welcome to the guest bedroom. All right, this is going to be a full-size bed. So you have some decent room here. Okay. And then you have this other guest bedroom as well. So this room kind of explains more about what they do, what kind of material they use to build their house. Okay, so as far as like under the tiles, you're gonna have this material, Tyvek. That's gonna be the best material out right now, as far as I think it's gonna last about like 40 to 50 years. They also use the 2x6s. A lot of builders use a 2x4, so you're gonna have like more insulation. So right here, you're gonna have your full bath. Okay. You have your sink, your toilet, your shower tub combo, fiberglass. Okay, you'll have your linen closet right here. Honeywell thermostat to control the temperature, the top floor. Now I think, yeah, this would be your pantry. Okay. All right, and that pretty much wraps it up. Now, guys, if you are interested in a new build community such as this, do me a favor, guys, give me a call, shoot me a text. I'd love to go with you on your very first visit. If you're working with a realtor, it is okay. At least let your realtor know you're interested, so that way they go with you. Whatever you do, guys, don't go by yourself. Otherwise, the builders won't let you have representation down the road. You definitely want representation because the builder agents look after the builder's best interest. Okay, so what we do for you is we negotiate for you, we hold the builders accountable, we fight for you, and plus the builders pay the agent fees. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, you want to know when the incentives, give me a call, shoot me a text. Until then, I'll catch you guys next video.